Hello guys, welcome back to Matu Lifestyle. So after a long time I'm doing this video. This is Mansa. Today I'm going to tell you how to get good marks in physics. I got 95 out of 100 in CBSE Class 12 physics. I have completed my 12th standard last year, which is 2025. So now I'm going to give you tips and tricks to get 95 plus in CBSE Class 12 physics. I will promise you that this video will be very short, so I don't want to waste your time. There are 7 steps. We will go inside the video. The first step is that you should don't be fear about physics. Like during starting of 12th initial days, like everyone told that physics is very tough. Like I also have the fear initial times, but some aura has came inside me, some spark has came inside me that we should face anything, like we should face the fear of physics. The only one thing in my mind that at the end of this battle, which means at the end of this race, at this end of this board exam, we should see whether it's me or physics who is going to win. So I have practiced many questions. I want the same fire in all your mind to get more marks in physics, because if you get more marks in physics, that will boost your marks. So don't be fear about physics. Just do more questions and get good marks. The second step is that NCERT. Yes, it's a very, very important step. Like how others tell, NCERT is the Bhagavad Gita, Quran and also Bible. Yes, it's true. Like it's the soul of physics for board exam. You should learn each and every line of NCERT. You should not miss any line. And underline the keywords, like what are important. Underline the keywords by using your highlighter, marker or any pencil. Yes. Then you should solve each and every examples of NCERT and the book back questions, which is very, very important for board exam. And don't learn other derivations which are out of NCERT, because the derivations which are inside the NCERT is more important for board exam, and the derivations which are out of NCERT is not required for board exam. And then don't just mug up the formulas which are inside the NCERT. Understand each and every line, understand the concepts, and then learn the formulas. Don't mug up it. It will help you to answer even the tricky questions in board exam. So that's all about NCERT. The next very important step, the step 3, is that you should make short notes for derivation and formula sheet, which are very important. During my initial days, I will do this, like I will do short notes for derivations and formula sheet, and I will revise it regularly. So it helps me to store in my subconscious mind and help me to revise the entire chapter within 30 to 40 minutes, or sometimes it is 1 hour if it is a big chapter. So it will help you a lot. So please make short notes for derivations and formula sheet. It's very, very important. Don't skip it. The next step is that the step 4, solve previous year question, which helps me a lot. If you solve all the previous year questions and you are thorough with NCERT examples and book back questions, and you have understand the concepts by using NCERT, then it is enough to get almost 80 to 85 marks, and sometimes if the paper is easy, then you can get 90 marks. So don't skip it. Solve all the previous year question to get idea about where they are asking the questions, and to understand what are the questions they are asking, what type of questions they are asking. And the next step is that step 5. You should, if you want to get more than 90 marks, like if you want to get 95 plus marks, then you should solve extra questions to answer the tricky questions in the question paper. So I have used all-in-one guide, which is from Arihant publication, and it helps me a lot. I have solved all the examples and the book back questions, like Arihant book back questions, which are very tricky. So which helps me to answer even the tricky questions in the question paper. So if you want to get more than 90 plus or more than 95 plus, then you can use the materials what you want. Otherwise, you can use all-in-one. I will recommend all-in-one guide, which helps me personally. It helps me a lot to get good marks. The next step is the 6th step. So you should have to practice CBSE current sample papers, because it helps you a lot to understand. It will help you to analyze what are the questions are going to come, like what are the chapters have high weightage, what are the types of questions are going to come. So it will help you. And the next and last step is that step 7. You have to practice more mock test, at least 3 to 4 mock test. It will help you to strengthen your concepts and you will get confidence while writing your exam. So to get good marks, please practice mock test. So please at least practice 3 to 4 mock tests, excluding your pre-board exams. Yes, now the 7 steps have been completed. I think that these 7 steps will help you to get good marks, like more than 95 marks in board exam. So first of all, you take a paper and divide the paper into 3 columns. Like in the first one, you should write easy and then moderate and then tough. So we have 14 chapters in physics for board exam. So divide the chapters which are easy for you, moderate for you and tough for you. It will help you a lot to scheduleize your plans to revise physics and to do mock test and to revise the formulas, derivations, everything. So start preparing it wisely. And yes, physics is a precious subject. Like if you give your hard work, full efforts, then it will give you more than what you have done. It will help you to boost your total marks. Like how it helps me to boost my total marks, it will help you also to get good total marks. So that's all guys. Like, share and subscribe our channel. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to get good marks in CBSE board exam. Thank you.